Good morning, Turbo Dave 231 here. Today's topic is how do you drill the front of a Buick V6 block for a Danny B thrust plate or for the newer TA style thrust plate. Well, that's what we're going to look at here today, and there's the new TA thrust plate, and there's the instructions. And if you look at the dimensions on where to drill these three holes, and by the way, they're not on a common bolt circle, they're oddly spaced. Alright, but if you look at the dimensions, they give us X and Y from the center line of the cam bore. Now, if you're like me, that's a little tough to do with a block and do it freehand. So how do you get those holes in the right place so that plate goes where it needs to go? Well, here's the plate from Danny B. Okay, and you can see these are the instructions from Danny B, and they give you some dimensions here on where they're at from the center line of the cam bore. All right, that's also, oh, and by the way, the bolt circles between the Danny B and the TA plate, the circle that the bolts are in, are not exactly the same. They are just a little bit different. So how do you do that? That's a quandary. How do you do it? Well, here's my solution. I came up with a drill fixture. Okay, and the drill fixture fits into the cam bearing. And let's see here, I've put some index marks on it. You see my X, my cross there, and there's bolt hole number 1, 2, and 3 for the TA plate. Now the other set of bolt holes here, and there, and there are for the TA. So I've got both. If you're going to use either plate, I've got them. Now I've also installed a hardened drill bushing in these two locations. All right, so what I do here is I've got a couple of hardened center punches. This one is a number 25, and this one is a number 3. Okay, so the number, and I've already drilled this block, but to locate this block, to locate everything properly, I leveled the block. I put up my machinist level on the top of the China wall here, or this one's got a bed plate on it. We can put level on the bed plate, get the block level, and then I took my laser level, and I shot a line right in the center of this hole, and then I could index this fixture right and left. When I made this fixture, I did it on my Bridgeport mill over here, and I laid out the bolt holes and indexed them exactly where they need to be. So I'm pretty certain that my drill fixture is in pretty good condition here. All right, let's take a couple of these plates and go back to the fixture. Okay, now we'll come on, making me look bad. Got to be that way. There it is. And the number 3 fits perfectly through the TA or the Danny B plate. So I know that I'm located correctly. And the best way to do this would be to take a threaded rod all the way through the cam bore, through the cam tunnel, and hold this fixture in place. Tighten it up so it cannot move. Once you've got it figured out, then you can center punch your holes, and then drill the first hole, put in a number 25 drill bit, drill it with a 25 drill bit, and then index what you've already center punched your 3 holes, and then index this drill fixture, the drill bushing, to the next location and drill that one, and then do the same thing here. And that's exactly what I've done here with this. So that's my solution for the Danny B thrush plate, and I've done these before, so it seems to work pretty well. Thanks for watching.